our channel, guys. We have a new guest. He's gonna be doing our makeup today. He's a genius. We filmed a review on Be a Mermaid and Make Waves. Can you make it any longer?
The title?
Yeah. Yeah, we just did a quick makeup look. It was Laura's first time using it, first impression. I've been using it.
Been liking it.
A little bit. But yeah, I don't know. This is what we came out with. We'll put some swatches in right now. But yeah, they're really pretty.
And if you guys want to see how we created this look, it's just really fast. Yeah,
we just wanted to show you like our reactions to using it. So
as well as like
it's not gonna be like an in-depth tutorial.
As well as like maybe ideas of what colors you can use for this.
Yeah.
If you like this look, or if you're just curious about our thoughts on this product, then
just keep watching.
Did you bring an eyelid primer?
No, I just go in because
you just kind of
eyelids. My whole face is dry, but my eyelids be greasy, so you know, just blessed. I need to come to me idea. Mermaids just tell me what to do, and I will do it. Where's the magic conch shell? I need to call on her. Magic conch shell. Magic conch shell, tell me and Laura what look to do. Oh, you're supposed to listen to the ocean.
Do you hear the ocean though?
No, just keep listening.
I'm about to break this down. Oh my gosh, these names are so good.
It's so cute.
Beach, right? Please, Fantastic, Sure Thing, Mimosa. I think I'm gonna go in I think I'm gonna go in with Sure Thing first.
Go girl. I'ma just go right in, girl. I'ma splash right in with Splash.
Yeah, which means she's gonna use the color Splash.
Yes.
Whoa, that is so pigmented.
Ooh,
like,
look at this. This is actually prettier when you swatch it, to be honest. I've never used this color before.
Wow.
Oh.
I wanna feel the texture. Oh, it's kind of like buttery.
Dude, I honestly love Tarte eyeshadows because they're made of clay. Oh. So it blends so nicely.
The Amazonian clay.
Holy crap.
That's so pigmented.
But it's like really pretty.
Yeah,
I hate
really
blues,
like the
to
color.
be honest. But
why?
I just don't wear a blue on my eye.
Yeah, but I feel like it looks good on you.
Well, and I feel like, okay, don't you think that this color, like, they could have done it really wrong and it would have looked really bad. But this blue, like, I don't know, they did it kind of well. I don't know if you can see it. But it's like blue with gold reflex. Dang.
Well,
you know.
Like, what I really like about it is where the light hits, it has like a
gold
teal look to it because of the gold.
Yeah. I don't know.
Her eyes look like they're twerking.
Check out our last video.
I really like this color though. It's like a really pretty dusty rose type of thing going on.
That's really cute actually. I'm gonna go in with Lagoon. It's like the darker blue, like that color. So I'm trying to do like
I really like that color.
A makeshift.
Are you using Lagoon right now?
Eye. Yeah.
Dang. I don't know what to go in next. I'll probably go into Shipwreck to deepen my eye.
I'm just like doing my finger and then blending it out with a brush because I feel like so I've been using this palette for a while. I haven't dabbled into the blues yet, so this is my first time. But the shimmer shades work the best to me with your finger. Ooh, I'm gonna kind of wing this out and make it a cat eye because I don't have eyeliner today because I suck and I didn't bring it. Like, I always forget stuff.
These two colors.
What did you use?
I used Sure Thing for my first color, that dusty rose color, and now I'm using Shipwreck, but they complement each other so well. I'm digging it. I'm feeling the Ariel vibes right now. Asian Ariel.
Like, honestly, this has like such a variety of colors in this palette, but like they all go together.
Yeah, they do. Somehow, right?
Somehow, yeah. So I like winged it out and I'm just gonna blend it so it's not as harsh, I guess. Okay, but I almost feel like with the blues, you don't have to be so exact with it. Like, they blend so easily.
This just entire thing blends so easily.
Like, I'm not even trying, really. Like, it makes me feel like I'm professional, but I'm not.
No, I don't want to go in. I think I want to keep it pinky.
I would
I'll
say
probably go with
those
beach,
two,
please.
I like that one.
It's like kind of a dark shade though.
Shade.
So I'm probably just gonna use this as like my glitter. Whoa, that's so pigmented. So since that color was pretty dark for a shimmer shade, I just kept it on like the outer corner and blending it in with my finger. I'm gonna go back in Shipwreck and just deepen this corner out because now I just feel like everything looks the same.
I'm gonna go in with Splash again. It's a teal color, and just do like the inner corner half of my lower lash line with it. This is like a night out type of look. If you don't have eyeliner, you can do it like this. Don't want to cover up the teal too much, so maybe in the inner corners I'll put Splash. And this is like a really cool color, guys. It's like a duochrome pink. It's a pink shadow with blue shimmers.
I really like bubbles. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go into Sandbar and just lighten this part up right here just to give it a bit of more transition. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy blending.
Look at what I just did to my eyes.
That's the most intense I've ever seen your eyes
But
look.
it's like, I don't know. It's
I'm
pretty
just
cool.
gonna blend it all out, guys. Then I'm gonna go in Salt Water and use it on the lids.
Salt water.
Oh, that is so pretty. Wow, I'm loving this. And then with my pinky, I'm gonna go in Froze. Oh, that's a lot more goldy than I thought it would be. Look
Yeah,
at
it has
Froze.
a gold shift. I use that one a lot too for my inner corners. I'm just going in with Nude Beach, and I'm just gonna put it like right there to accent, kind of enhance the amount of gold that the Splash color has.
I'm gonna go in Mermosa and just put a little bit of color right here just to give it a more gradient effect because I don't want it all to be bright, dark.
What do you think?
You kind of have Cleopatra vibes right
I
now.
know. This is what I did when I don't have winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna wing out the shadow. I'm gonna just do my
one of my liners.
light chins. No, I'm over it. Okay, but for first impression, what do you think?
I'm really liking it. Like, this is my first time using a Tarte eyeshadow at all. But you can definitely use this palette for every day too.
I use it for every day. I like using the Sandbar, Sure Thing, and Shipwreck. They're the three Shipwreck. They're the three matte shades. They're kind of in the pink, I would say, pinky side. And then I just like putting one of the golds in as like just the center, and it's such a quick morning look. Honestly though, like I am not a blue eyeshadow wearer, but this looks kind of good. So let's review it. What do you
I
think?
really like it. Like, I'm considering getting it, but then at the same time, like, Chanel has it, so I get it.
But you get 14 eyeshadows for $42 plus tax, of course. But
Unless you live in, like,
unless
Oregon.
you live in Oregon. But
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it's worth it, don't you think?
I really like it, and I feel like this...
The packaging too.
The packaging is so
it just
good.
feels expensive. And like every time you open that, aren't you just gonna be like happy?
And, you know, you have a mermaid bra shawl with it, too. I don't know. I really like it, but, like, the consistency is, like, a creamy, buttery consistency, so it blends out really well.
You don't really need a lot. Like, for me and Laura, like, we just tap our brushes in, or if we use our fingers, we just, you know, it's not like you're using a whole bunch. And you get, like, this, like,
The payoff
a
is
lot
so
of
good.
pigment.
Yeah, like, I don't know, like, can you see mine? I used 4 colors in total, I think, but
Yeah.
I really like it. And it's really easy to transition from day to night with these colors.
Yeah, I also feel like, well, this one only comes with 3 matte shades. Sorry, it's really bright. 3 matte shades, but like, if you already have like a lot of, you know, neutral tone palettes, like this is such a good supplemental palette because it has so many of different like shimmer shades in it.
Dude, the shimmer shades is what really,
That's kind of why I bought it, because like I have so many palettes that are like
matte.
not even matte, just like basic, like, and the shimmer shades.
You basic girl.
Well, like the shimmer shades aren't anything special, you know.
Yeah,
but, like,
no, but
this
like
one has such a
I
good
really
range.
like these ones, like saltwater bubbles splash, like that's so pretty.
There's a lot of different ones.
Yeah,
in
but
here.
in terms of like the pink shimmer shades, I've seen them before kind of thing, but I really like this for the different blues that it has, as well as like the diversity of the pinks. Like they're all really, really buildable off of each other.
Like you could literally just take that palette if you're ever traveling, and like you could make so many different looks out of it.
It's also very true. Like it has some like cool tone purples and some.
But the thing
warmer
is, like,
tone
depending on
pinks.
what you mix it with, it could
Yeah.
be warm.
Yeah,
like
that's
warmer
true
or
too,
cooler.
yeah.
So I don't
Like,
know.
I mean, like, even with Chanel's blue, like, it has gold in it, so it's like a... Although hers is a very cool look, it still brings
I even
in some,
added
like,
gold
warmth
to
and
it.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. It just, every color literally complements each other. Me and Laura give it 2 thumbs up. I think it's really bomb.
Out of 5, I want to say... Like, maybe...
Out of 5.
I wish I could have seen more blues, just because I'm really into the blues.
But, like, when do you ever use that many blues?
I feel like it's such a trendy color right now that a lot of people, you'll see it a lot more often right now.
But, like, the only blue that's super trendy is the cobalt blue, which is in here.
the Lagoon, that's not really cobalt.
But it's, like, in the same family, I would say. But I don't know. Like, I think for me, I give it a 5. Just
I
because
give it a 4 out of 5.
packaging,
Packaging's good.
all the shades match, and it's different from what I've seen. But it's also because I don't have a
Yeah, I guess the
pinky
reason
mauve
why, because I already have like so many pinky mauve palettes
I
that
don't.
that's why I'm just like, oh, I'll give it a 4 out of 5 because I already have those colors. But I can see where you're coming from. If I were
Yeah.
you, I'd probably give it 5 out of 5.
Yeah, like the pinky kind that I have is more like terracotta. Like if you've ever seen the Tartelette and Bloom palette, it's like an orangey undertone. And this is more of like a rosy
Very rosy.
undertone with some cool tone blues. That could pull warm if you wanted it to. So I don't know. I really enjoyed it.
I really like it too.
It brings me joy every time I use it. But yeah, give us a like and comment on our video. We love reading your
And give us a
comments.
like if you like how Chanel came to my house and I saw what she was wearing and I was
Oh yeah?
I
don't know if you noticed.
I was in my pajamas all day and I was like, I don't know what to wear for the video. I'm just gonna copy you.
Guys, down to the friggin' earrings. Same freaking silver hoop earrings, but she just like gradually started changing into what I was wearing, and I was like, I like where this is going. See us next week, but until then, cheers to a good week.
Cheers to a good week.
Bye! Bye! Grape juice is bomb!
I finished all my grape juice.
Go get some more. Oh no.
That's apparently Blue's talking. Money, money.